Hi, my name is Sujoy, and I'm the founder of World Group Solutions. We had been doing IT business for last 23 years now, mainly in the areas of data warehousing, data analytics, a lot to do with data migrations. So we had been in different spaces with data. That was one of our specialization, and now we moved into artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, as we all know, is growing every day, and with time, it's getting more popular. So, I would try and demonstrate to you about how an artificial AI agent, conversational agent, can behave uh, with the client. Okay, so your company could be in any business. You could be a law firm, you could be a financial institution, you could be a manufacturing institution, you could be a doctor's clinic, anything. And I will try and show you as to how the AI agent would behave, as a voice assistant would behave based on the training. So take a look at it, but the training can be whatever you want. Okay, so whenever you hire a new person, you train, right? So that's exactly what we will be also doing with AI agents. It has to be trained. But the point is that the possibilities are endless. You can do any type of training. But here in this particular demonstration, I'm trying to explain and show how the quality could be so that you yourself can judge whether an agent is better or whether a human is better, or maybe both. But the opportunity is there for you to see that the potentials are there for you to save cost, and not only to save cost but also improve on efficiency. So let's get started. So I will come back to the right hand corner of the screen where you are seeing the logo of World Group Solutions, and we'll click on that, talk with AI, and then I will say start. So let's start the conversation.
Hey, this is Sandra from World Group Solutions. I'm calling to speak with Sujoy about some growth opportunities we've identified for businesses like theirs. Is he available for a brief conversation?
Yes, he is.
Thank you. Hi, Sujoy. This is Kendra from World Group Solutions. I'm following up on a chatbot proposal that we discussed via email. Before we continue, do you prefer English or Spanish?
I would prefer English.
Thank you. I'll continue in English. To set up our consultation, may I have your full name?
My name is Sujoy Barden.
Great, Sujoy. What's the best email address to send the invite to?
Sujoy Barden at worldgroupsolutions.com.
Thank you, Sujoy. And could you let me know your preferred date and time for our 15-minute call?
Tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Let me check if that slot is available. That slot is available. I'm booking you for tomorrow at 11 a.m. You'll receive a calendar invite at sujoyburden at worldgroupsolutions.com. Your meeting is confirmed. Is there anything else you'd like to ask before we finish?
Yes, I wanted to know what type of other services you provide in the areas of chatbot.
I can provide more information during our call. Thank you, Sujoy. We look forward to speaking tomorrow at 11. Have a great day.
Now, do you have any information about the industries which I might be looking for, like insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, and law firm as a chatbot service?
Absolutely. We can discuss how our chatbot solutions can enhance customer engagement and support in industries like insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, and law firms. It's a great topic for our call. Thank you for your interest, Sujoy, and I look forward to diving into that tomorrow. Have a great day.
Could we do some of them right now?
I appreciate your eagerness, Sujoy. I want to ensure we give it the attention it deserves. So it's best to cover those details during our scheduled call tomorrow at 11. Sound good?
I would like to know more about insurance. If you could tell me a little bit about what type of a chatbot benefits an insurance company would derive from your services.
Of course, chatbots in insurance can assist with tasks such as handling claims, providing policy information, answering FAQs, and guiding customers through the insurance process. They enhance efficiency, reduce wait times, and improve customer satisfaction by offering 24/7 support. We can explore this in more depth during our call tomorrow. Would that work for you?
Yes, can you tell me a little bit more about the healthcare then?
Certainly, in healthcare, chatbots can assist with appointment scheduling, providing patients with information about symptoms, medication reminders, and answering common queries about services. They help streamline administrative tasks, reduce no shows, and provide faster responses to patients, leading to improved overall patient satisfaction. We can discuss this further in our call tomorrow. Does that sound good?
Yes, but do you take care of HIPAA Act, HIPAA related
Yes.
information?
Yes, we ensure that our chatbot solutions are compliant with HIPAA regulations to protect client information and privacy. We'll go into detail about these compliance measures on our call. Thank you for bringing that up, Sujoy. I look forward to our chat tomorrow.
What about manufacturing?
In the manufacturing sector, chatbots can streamline operations by assisting with inventory management, order processing, and providing real time updates to customers. They can also help with employee support, answering common HR questions, and training inquiries. Again, we can discuss specific use cases during our call tomorrow. Does that work for you?
Yes, but I wanted to know a little bit more on the manufacturing side as to what type of a data set you would need to give a real time inventory data to a prospect or whoever is asking for information. What do you need?
For real time inventory data, we typically need access to your inventory management system or database, including product SKUs, quantities on hand, and current stock levels. Integration with existing software is key for accurate data retrieval and updates. We can explore this in detail during our scheduled call tomorrow. Thank you, Sue Joy.
Yes, and what about the law firms?
For law firms, chatbots can help manage client inquiries, schedule consultations, and provide updates on case statuses. They assist with document management and streamline communication between clients and lawyers. By automating these tasks, chatbots help law firms improve client satisfaction and efficiency. We can discuss specific applications during our call tomorrow. Sound good?
Yeah, it sounds okay for now. Let's connect next meeting.
Thank you, Sue Joy. Absolutely, Sue Joy. I'm looking forward to our call tomorrow at 11. Thank you for your time today and have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So here we discussed different types of scenarios with different industries, and you must have noticed how she responded to how the industries and where the industries need the chatbot and how it might help. But of course, as I say, that more it gets trained, more appropriate it becomes, more matured it becomes. Here you have noticed that in this particular scenario, there was a tendency for the chatbot, for the AI agent to wrap up the conversation as quickly as possible. So it's a matter of training as to how we train it and let the chatbot know that it needs to learn how to pause for 2 seconds before she rushes out to a point that, okay, is that all for now, or something of that sort. So just as an example, it was a very good example for us to take a look at it as to how we could train the chatbot to have little bit of patience, and instead of wrapping the call right away, she could take it a little easy to make sure that at least I didn't have any more questions. So this is all what I needed to explain, that depending on how we train the product, how we train the chatbot, it will behave accordingly. So your industry could be behaving, your industry might have different types of data sets, it might have different types of scenarios. Everything can be discussed and everything can be configured. So I would appreciate if you could get in touch with me, and maybe we could take it from there, where we have very engineers who can help you with these type of solutions. So looking forward to have a word with you soon. Thank you now. Bye bye now.